This is St. Peter Church in Zurich, Switzerland. Our next stop is St. Peter Church. St. Peter is one of the four main churches of the old town of Zurich, Switzerland, besides Grossmünster, Fraumünster, and Predigerkirche or Dominican Church. It is next to the Lindenhof hill, site of the former Roman castle. It was built on the site of a temple to Jupiter. An early church of 10 by 7 meters is archaeologically attested for the 8th or 9th century. This building was replaced by an early Romanesque church around 1000 AD, in turn replaced in 1230 by a late Romanesque structure, parts of which survive.
Like even all the houses all over here. Now you have to imagine that there was no cobblestone, there was no plaster on the houses, timbered or half-timbered houses actually, and it didn't smell very good.
Rudolf Brun, the first independent mayor of the town, was buried here in 1360. The nave was rebuilt in 1460 in Gothic style. Prior to the Reformation, St. Peter was the only parish church of the town, the rest being part of monasteries. Towards the end of the 13th century, a mechanical church clock was installed. In 1366, it was renewed and got one only dial that was directed towards the limit and only displayed the hours. Around 1460, the sense of time has been refined by half on the quarter-hour strike, and in 1538, the striking clock was replaced. The clock tower of St. Peter was for centuries Zurich's official local time, and all public city clocks had to conform to it. The church clock of St. Peter has the largest tower clock face in Europe. The outer diameter of each of the four church clocks measure 8.64 meters or 28.3 feet. The minute hand is 5.73 meters or 18.8 feet. The hour hand is 5.7 meters or 16.6 feet. And the minute clock of the large pointer measures 0.455 meters or 1.5 feet. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!